What for all the world might look like a book of magic spells is actually a fabulous cookbook and magic client gift. Hi everybody, I'm Sabine Lenz, the founder of Paper Specs, with your weekly dose of paper inspiration. The first 2 years of the COVID pandemic didn't just put our collective health at risk, it made us feel alone. Many tried to cope with those feelings of isolation by turning to food and cooking. Something advertising and branding agency Mythology celebrates in this beautiful hardcover cookbook, what dare I say, coffee table book. Inside, Mythology staff reveals the secrets behind family recipes. And true to the agency's name, the client gift also puts a powerful piece of Mythology front and center. Looking for all the world like a book of magic spells, the piece designed by Mythology and produced by our good friends at Data Graphic is even more impressive in person than it appears here. For starters, the cover is comprised of 90-pound Colorplan Bright Red Text wrapped around 5 sheets of 130-pound Neenah Classic Crest red pepper cover stock for a luscious, ultra-thick cover. The title, No One to Pass the Piece, is blind debossed so deeply on the front cover that the bevels created by this offer up a blend of light and shadow within the letters that shift as you move the book. Which brings us to the crowning glory of this piece, an exquisite spoon-shaped die cut that not only goes through the super thick cover, but also all the interior pages as well. Inside this well rests a custom-made, intricately detailed cast bronze spoon fashioned to resemble the New York City agency's iconic griffin-like mascot. But wait, just when you think, well, this is fabulous and feel you figured it all out, there is more. This is where the eye for detail just begins. While the spoon is rather heavy and thick, it is no match for this tomb of a book. So to ensure it sits just at the right height to catch the eye, the wizards at Data Graphic built a spoon-shaped platform made up of 20 sheets of Neenah Classic Crest red pepper cover stock and mounted it to the inside cover. The inside pages, 216 in all, are digitally printed CMYK on Mohawk via cream white vellum cover, featuring a full typographic spread for the title of each dish and a separate one for ingredients and directions. All this interspersed with custom illustrations. The deep debossed impressions, the precise die cutting, and of course that magical spoon come together so perfectly, it is hard not to think that this might be one of the most beautiful things coming out of these dark, gloomy days of COVID. Now, someone pass the piece, please. While Mythology chose perfect binding for this tomb of a book, there are so many creative binding options available to you today. Whatever you're designing, make sure to download our free binding cheat sheet right now to get the pros and cons of each and every one of them. Did you enjoy this video? Then please subscribe to our channel, and of course it would be amazing if you share with all your friends. And keep sending me your magical printed pieces. I love to feature them.